Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to do some case lighting by using this Corsair iCue LC100. These are mini triangles that you can use for lighting your case. I got the extension kit, which is basically the same as the starter kit. The only difference here is that the starter kit has the light node core on it. But if you have Commander Core XT or the Commander Pro, you don't need that kit. I mean, if you already have it and if you have the space, let me show you guys. And if you have this RGB here free, you can connect this one into this port here. This is the Commander Core XT, and you can use the Commander Core Pro is basically the same. They have another connector like this one. Basically, is the same. So let me open up quickly the box and check what's inside. All right, we have the triangles. I will get to that in a minute. Then what else come here? Nothing else. Some instruction. The box itself. We don't need this here. All right. So here we got our 9 mini triangles. These are kind like a mini nano leaves. I don't know if you guys are using those kind of lights. I'm not using it, but I've been using in the past, so I know more or less how they are done. So they are really similar. And here we have the master. So this one goes to the connector to the Commander Pro XT in my case, but you can use even the Commander Pro, of course. Let me show you guys that in a minute. So you basically connect it here and that's it. And of course you have to use the iCue software for setting up everything. Okay guys, let's go more in details. Two sides of each triangle have this magnetic thing here, as you can see. So we can pop up this thing here. You can just put it like so or so. So we can make angles, or we can just connect it between them. Okay guys, each of these triangles have 9 LEDs for a total of 81 LEDs. So they are going to be bright, but I will install it on my case and we will see. My case is a black case, so we will see if they are really lighting up everything. So we have the SATA power and this is the connector. So okay, this is the master, as we were saying. So this is the first one to be connected. And from here you can start connecting all the triangles. If you are having 2 of these kits, the first one to connect is this one, like so, for example. Then when you finish all the lines with all the triangles here, you can add another kit. By the only important thing is that here, when you finish everything, here you have to put the other master and then continue with all the lines. One thing to mention is that if you don't have the Commander Core XT or the Commander Pro, you should get the starter kit, because then you are not going to be able to connect this pin anywhere. This is a proprietary pin from Corsair. So it works only with the Lightning Node Core and the Commander Pro and the Commander XT. But if you have the Commander Pro and the Commander XT or the Commander XT, you can connect it straight to that port that I shown you before. That's it. Let's go to install on the case and see how it's going to light up. Okay guys, the installation is really simple and easy. We will start with the master. The only thing, you need a metal surface. In this case, this is the 7000D, so this is the metal piece here. You can install it even here if you have the same case, or if you have the 5000D, which is pretty similar to this one. So you can install it here, or you can install it down here, as you wish. I'm going to install it here because here I have the fans that have already are lighting up a little bit here, so I'm going to use it here. So this is the master. We start with this. So as you can see, we have this side here when we connect the hinge, this side here, and also this side. Each of these triangles have 2 sides when you can connect the hinges. So let me say I'm going to start here, for example, and I have to use one of these sides here. I'm going to just connect it like so, maybe the other side. Okay. Connect it like so. So as we can see, we have 2 sides here to continue connect all the triangles. Let me show you guys where you can use the biggest hinge here, this one. You can use it here. If you want to go down here, as you can see this angle here, if you are going to use the smallest one, for example, let me say I'm going to use it like so, and I want to attach this one here. As you can see here, it's not going to connect properly. You have to go like so, but then it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do here now is use the biggest one. This one is a little bit bigger, so you can do it like so, and then here we go. So what we can do now is continue connecting all the other triangles, for example like so. Here we go, and then we are going to use the biggest of the hinges here and go up again like so. So here we go. We just go up and down. One thing to remember, guys, is that if considering that all this is magnetic, if you, as you can see, this might be connected also here, but this won't work. If you connect it like so, it's not going to work. So remember that this side and this side are the only one who are giving the power and also the lighting, of course the RGB lighting, to all the triangles. So you must connect it here or here, and then continue with all the configuration as you need. You're a little bit of Tetris here, so you can set up as you want. I'm just going to connect all the cables here and maybe modify a little bit of shapes here. Then we will check the configuration on the iCue to see how we can change all the settings of these mini triangles. Okay guys, after connecting all the cables, let's open iCue. In my case, I have the Commander Core XT, so I connect it straight to the Commander Core XT. So what we want to do is click on the icon of the Commander Core XT or on the Lightning Pro. It depends on what you have. It's basically the same. You just click into the icon. Then here I have to move to the 3-pin Lightning effects. Then here we can choose what kind of device is connected. In this case, we're going to choose the LC accent triangles. And that's it. It's going to recognize, as you can see, it's going to recognize the master, which is the one that has the power and also the RGB connector. What you can do is add as much triangles as you have, or you can just click run here on the set, and we'll set up accordingly to what you have connected. As you can see, we have a lot of devices here. So if, for example, if you choose the LC accent triangles, you can click next, and then you can choose how many triangles you have connected. Let's go here. The second one, this is the master, so let's say this is the number 1, then this is number 2. Anyway, is they call it 1, so we have 2, total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. This is the master and up to other 8 triangles. So let's click on finish. And that's it. Now we have set up all the triangles. As we can see here, there is this notification which is saying that an additional master triangle is required if 10 or more triangles are connected together. So you cannot set up more than 9 connectors with one master. So you have to. So if you connect another triangle here, it should be the master, and then you can just connect. You can set up whatever else you have there. Delete this notification here. We don't need it. And let's jump to the lightning effects. As we can see here, we have plenty of effects. Basically, they are the same effects we are using on the fans. You can choose whatever effects you want here. Probably I'm going to leave the coral drop because it's a little bit nice. And here you can choose the speed, if you want it fast or slow. I will leave it on medium. The direction here, and also the lightning zone. Here you can choose whatever lightning zone you want. If you want, for example, only this. The hardware lightning is the same as also we have seen in the fine lightnings. So you can choose one color here. For example, if you choose black, it's going to basically shut down the lights. So you can choose whatever color here you want. So static, I'm going to choose sequential maybe. Yes, can be nice. Also here we can choose the direction and also the speed. I will leave it medium and this on the right direction. So that's all for the settings of the triangles on the iCue. These mini triangles from Corsair are something different for your case light. Instead of using the classic stripes, you can try this, which are particular but amazingly easy to install, and if you already have a Corsair lighting system in your PC, it will take like 5 minutes to set up everything. The 9 LEDs that each triangle has are really bright, and the way you can expand it is so simple and easy. Now, all this has a price, which is insane to me. 130 for the starter kit that has the Lightning Node Pro included, and 100 for the expansion kit. That's a little too much in my opinion. I think that maybe 80 or 90 for the starter kit and 60 or 70 for the expansion kit should have been the right prices. But other than the price, these mini triangles are really well done, and if you want to give a special touch to your case and the price isn't the problem, well, why not? If you enjoy watching this video, I would appreciate if you hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.